Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, you want to check your headphones. So if you are using USB-C headphones, then first what you guys want to do is clean the charging port. The charging port is right here. Now let me show it to you. Here we have the charging port, this little space, as you guys can see it. Now, after you clean the charging port first, what you guys want to do is go over and restart the tablet. So we cleaned our charging port because dust can block a lot of connection. Now we want to restart our tablet to fix any minor glitches with your headphones not connecting or just not being detected at all. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now click restart, and after you click restart, your tablet will start restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, let's quickly enter our password. And now what we want to do, if you are using an adapter for USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, then make sure you're using an original one or the certified one. So if you're using a cheap adapter, then it can break down any second and you will have no idea that it broke down. So what you guys want to do next is update your software, but I'll get back to that once we enter the Bluetooth headphones. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the settings for the Bluetooth headphones and go to connected devices. Now here, select connection preferences and go to Bluetooth. Here we want to make sure that we turn off our Bluetooth, so I'll quickly turn it on. Now we want to turn it off and turn it on again. So that's basically a quick restart of our Bluetooth. What we want to do next is, if we already have our headphones paired and they're not connecting, what we can do is we can forget them and repair them again. So after you forget them, make sure to charge them fully. Once I've had this situation where my headphones were at 60 or 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, then they connected without any issues. So make sure to charge them up, not including the case, headphones only. And after that, what you guys can do is make sure that you avoid the device interference. So for example, the same headphones were paired to another device, and basically they're connecting to another device instead of your tablet. So we definitely do not want that. If it happens, then make sure to remove them from another device and keep them in the tablet. And after that, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So this is what we've all been waiting for. We want to scroll all the way down in the settings to About Phone. Now scroll down to Basic Info section and tap System Updates. As you guys can see here, you will have a button either to update it. So let me show you that. So you'll have the check for updates button. Now once you click it, it will check for updates. And I have an update available, but you need 30% to actually update it. I am at 21, so I cannot update it, but all you guys do is just click download right here and it will automatically download. Then you will install it and your tablet will reset. So it's like 5 minutes max. And after that, everything should be fixed. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.